talk about sapphires, which is quite an interesting stone considering that it goes through the entire range of rainbow of colors besides red, otherwise it would be rubies. So now if we dive into the world of sapphires, it has been one of the most captivating precious gemstones in the world. Sapphires have been admired for their stunning beauty, but also for their remarkable durability. For thousands of years, we have seen sapphires in so many different ways, hues, shapes, and colors. But there's much more to these gems than what only meets the eyes. What is a sapphire? A sapphire is a precious gemstone as a variety of mineral corundum, which is composed of aluminum oxide. What sets sapphires apart from rubies, which are also corundums, are their colors. While sapphires are most commonly associated with the color blue, they actually come in every single color of the rainbow, except red, because a red corundum is a ruby. That being said, these different colors are due to the trace element present during the gemstone's formation. For example, iron and titanium create blue sapphires, while chromium gives them pink hues. Let's delve into the history of sapphires, because the allure of sapphires dates back to ancient civilizations. In ancient Greek and Rome, for example, king and queens believed that blue sapphires protected their owners from envy and harm. And throughout history, sapphires have been a symbol of nobility, truth, and faithfulness. They've adorned crowns and jewelry of royals and the elite for centuries from all over the world. And just as rubies or emeralds or even diamonds, there has been in the history of precious gemstones famous sapphires. And some sapphires have become legendary due to their size, their color, or historical significance. But if we think about the Star of India, for instance, it is one of the largest star sapphires in the world, weighing over 563 carats. The Logan sapphire, a stunning 423 carat blue sapphire, is another famous gem, currently housed at the Smithsonian Institution located in Washington, D.C. The Blue Belle of Asia, at 392 carats, holds to this day the record for the highest price ever paid for a sapphire at auction. Like many gemstones, when it comes to sourcing and traceability, finding sapphires have been mined in buyers in different parts of the world, with significant sources including Sri Lanka, Madagascar, Myanmar, and Australia. And each location produces sapphires with unique characteristics. So for example, from the mines to your jewelry, sapphires have to go through a meticulous process of sorting, cutting, and polishing in order to reveal their true beauty. And like many, you need some characteristics when it comes to sorting out those gemstones and grading, because when you assess the quality of a sapphire, gemologists consider the 4 Cs, just like color, clarity, cut, and carat weight, as you may see in diamonds. And color, like in many colored gemstones, is the most critical factor, with a preference, obviously, for vibrant and saturated hues. The clarity refers to the presence of inclusion of blemishes that you can find in the actual stone, and it's not necessarily visible when you look at the rough stone. But while some inclusions can be tolerated, especially in star sapphires, too many can decrease the gem's value. The cut impacts the stone's brilliance, and the carat weight obviously measures its size. And while commonly known for their blue color, sapphires come in every single one.